Hello everybody, today I will be teaching y'all how to make styrofoam numbers. Okay, we bought something from the store and this came in the box. Recycle it, don't throw it away. It's like ½ inch and this is what I use for my numbers. The first thing that you will do, you will get some translucent paper, and what I do, I Google a number and save the image, and then my computer is touch screen, so I can kind of touch it and make it bigger. I put this over my screen, my computer screen, and then I just trace over the number. You will be doing that. Then once you trace over your number, you will cut your number. This. Once you cut your number, you will put it over your phone and trace it. I trace it with a marker. Kind of see? And then once you trace it, then you cut it. You can use a utility knife to cut it. And be very careful. They do have styrofoam cutters that you can buy at your craft stores. But I kind of just use the utility knife to cut my numbers. And there you go. There's your number. I kind of messed it up a little. But it's really simple to do. It will turn out like this. Then you just glue it, spray your adhesive spray, and I buy this at the Dollar Tree. Usually what I do, I get the paper. Always save your newspaper, recycle your newspapers. If you do crafts, spray your number. And this is the glitter that I got. It is a neon orange, and this is what we'll be using for the Moana thing. I kind of just spread it all over the and then set it, let it dry. And this is the result. This is how it will come. Then you can get your little stick and kind of glue the back to it. Your little stick and glue it, and then you let it dry, and it's that simple. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to follow me